Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to use Reddit for market research. First, understand that Reddit hosts millions of niche communities, called subreddits, where people discuss nearly every topic imaginable. Your initial step is to identify which of these communities are most relevant to your product or service. Look for places where your target audience naturally gathers and shares their thoughts, allowing you to observe genuine conversations and uncover valuable insights into their needs. Once you know your target, use Reddit's built-in search or external tools to find specific subreddits. Focus on communities with a high number of active users and consistent, relevant discussions. Pay close attention to the engagement on posts, like the number of upvotes and comments. This helps you gauge the community's vitality and the level of interest in particular topics, ensuring your research is based on current and lively conversations. As you observe, look for recurring themes, common pain points, and frequently requested features. These are strong indicators of unmet needs or areas for product improvement. Also, note the specific language and slang used by the community. This helps you communicate more authentically. Tracking sentiment around brands or products over time can reveal shifts in public perception, offering a dynamic view of market trends and consumer preferences. When conducting market research on Reddit, it's crucial to maintain ethical practices. Always respect user privacy and never engage in direct solicitation or spamming. Your role is primarily that of an observer, gathering insights without overtly marketing or disrupting the community's natural flow. Focus on learning from genuine conversations. For more great deals, and to grab a Little Trees Black Ice air freshener for your car, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.